Hi, this cat is called ones and zeros. What we have to do is to create a function that takes a list as an argument, and the list consists only of ones and zeros. And what we basically have to do is to convert it to a string and return the decimal representation of the string. How to go about that? Let's start iterating through the string here for the number in array and printing numbers. Yeah. And what are the types? Those are integers. Well, what we can do is to create an empty string and add the numbers to the string, but we have to cast it to a string type, of course. The empty string will be called binary. And what we have to do here is to add up the numbers plus equal numbers, but we have to cast it to a string type, otherwise it won't work. Let's print the binary. There we have the binary representation, but we have to return it as an integer number. What we can do is the following: cast it to an integer. As a first argument, it takes the string representation of the binary, and then we can add the base, which is 2. Let's print it out, and that's 15 in decimals. And why do I put it in a base of 2? Because that's the base of binary numbers, because you only have zeros and ones, and the decimal representation is 10, because you have the numbers from 0 through 9, which are 10 numbers in total. Yeah, and you can do the same with the list comprehension. So return an empty list number for number in array. There we have the integer numbers. As we have seen, we have to cast it to strings. Then we have to catch it in one string. We can use the join method for that. In the front, we have to add nothing, then dot join, take the entire list as an argument. And there we have our string. And lastly, we have to put the integer method on it. As an input, it will take the entire string representation. And the second argument will again be the base of 2, to which we have to convert it. 15. Well, let's test it out. Terrific. Hope this has been helpful and useful. If so, please consider dropping a like and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.